Good morning everyone. This is Dinanath Gupta from Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi. Today I will talk about my article Networking in IoT Technologies Used, Security Threats and Possible Countermeasures. In the presented paper we discussed many things about the IoT environment. Those are like the diverse and heterogeneous structure of the IoT phenomenon introduces a variety of new security risks and challenges. Many threats such as botnets, home intrusion, remote control of the IoT devices and man-in-the-middle attack are threatening the IoT environment. Hence, it needs a stronger security implementation to protect IoT devices from being compromised. Security vulnerabilities and cyber attacks are more advanced and improved than before, because currently the IoT devices are widely used in various applications such as health monitoring system, smart cards, home appliances, militaries and industries. These devices could be vulnerable to many external threats with malware, viruses, hackers, physical damages and theft. A hacker can attempt to launch phishing, SQL injection, cross-site scripting or DDoS attacks to hack or to downgrade the performance or to damage the devices under an IoT environment. Many types of security issues hijack the old computing systems, and also many are creating problems in new IoT computing scenario. Spam is a messaging system which sends unrequested bulk messages to a target device. Advanced persistent threats, that is APTs, is another type of attack in which an unauthorized user gets foothold through malware. Ransomware is also a type of malware that encrypts all data of one's device and sells the decryption keys to decrypt. Data and identity theft could be one of the serious security threats in the IoT. External intrusions may cause several security threats, for example, DDoS attack, device hijacking and phishing. Intercepting a communication channel with malicious intentions between two systems without acknowledgement of sender and receiver is called the man-in-the-middle attack. Radio frequency identification, RFID skimming, is the process of stealing the data or information through a chip reading device from RFID chips. IoT botnets are compromised independent interconnected IoT devices, for example, wearable, medical instruments and industrial systems infected with malware. These compromised devices and sensors are internet enabled and able to transfer data automatically. Devices infection increases from one infected device to another without the knowledge of the device owner. Attacks can use these compromised devices as a botnet to launch DDoS attacks. Hydra, Baselite, Linux, IRC Talent, Hazime, Linux, Wi-Fetch, Breakerbot and Mirai are some of the popular IoT botnets. IoT botnet is more destructive than traditional botnet and is the biggest threat for the IoT network today. In the presented article, the authors studied many of the existing threats and proposed their countermeasures. Thank you very much.